And he came to Nazareth, where he had been brought up. And as was his custom, he entered the synagogue on the Sabbath, and stood up to read. And the book of the prophet Isaiah was handed to him. And he opened the book, and found the place where it was written,
روح أدوناي علي يعين مشاحتي לבשר עניים שלחני לקרוא לשבויים דרור לעברים קח כוח לשלוח רוצצים חופשיים לקרוא שנת רצון לאדון.
And he closed the book, gave it back to the attendant, and sat down. And the eyes of all in the synagogue were fixed on him. And he began to say to them,
היום נתמלאו הכתובים האלה באוזניכם.
And all were speaking well of him, and wondering at the gracious words which were falling from his lips. And they were saying, Is this not Joseph's son? And he said to them,
אין ספק שתאמרו לי את הפתגם הזה, רופא רפא את עצמך. כל אשר שנעשו בכפר נחום עשה פה בעירך. אבל אני אומר לכם, אין נביא כבוד בעירו. הרבה אלמנות היו בישראל בימי אליהו הנביא. אבל שהשמיים נעצרו 3 שנים ו6 חודשים. אבל אליהו עצמו לא נשלח אל אחד מהם, אלא אל אחד שבצפת שבחבל צידון. בימי אלישע הנביא היו הרבה מצורעים, אבל לא טוהר אחד מהם מלבד נעמן הארמי.
And all the people in the synagogue were filled with rage as they heard these things. And they got up and drove him out of the city.
They meant to throw him over the cliff, but he walked through the middle of the crowd and went his way.